Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Personal. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious bread, butter, and cheese sandwich that's super easy and perfect for a quick snack or breakfast. First, take 1 spoon of butter in a bowl. Add 1 spoon chopped ginger and garlic, 1 spoon chilli flakes, and some fresh coriander leaves. Add a little salt and mix everything well. Now, take a bread slice and spread this mixture evenly. Place a generous amount of cheese on top. Cover it with another bread slice. Again, spread the same mixture on this second slice. Place one more slice of bread on top. So we have 3 layers in total. Now heat a pan on low flame. Place the sandwich on the pan and toast both sides until golden and crispy. Once done, remove it from the pan and cut it into 2 halves. That's it. Our crispy, spicy, cheesy sandwich is ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes.